Hi, my name is Spencer Herndon, and we'll be performing a balance experiment on an analytical balance. An analytical balance is a more expensive version of a balance, and it consists of a glass box to prevent air from pressure from coming down on the scale. Also, this balance is used for lower masses to calculate exact values. I'm going to take the mass of the beaker. I'm going to tare the balance. Now that it's at 0, I'm going to place the beaker inside and close the door. So now I've got the final mass of the beaker without the blue water. I'm going to tare the balance. And now that I have 0 grams, I'm going to pour this 30 milliliter sample of blue water into this beaker. My resulting mass of this solution inside of the beaker is 84.507. The mass of water equals 16.884 grams.
Hi, my name is Krista Doss. I'm going to take the mass of this beaker without the water inside. Before I can take the mass of this 150 milliliter beaker, I need to tare the balance. We're going to open up the door and put it right there. We're going to make sure to shut all these doors so air pressure can't get in so we can get the exact value. It is 67.595. Put it in there. Now before we can measure the mass of this, we need to make sure to tare the balance. Okay, so I'm going to put it there. Make sure to close all the doors tightly. Now it gets us 84.373. So the mass of the water is 16.779 grams.
Hi, I'm Querrard, and this is an analytical balance. I'm going to take the mass of the beaker. First, I want to tare it so it's 0. Put the empty beaker back inside, close the door, and wait for the data to set. So I get 67.637 grams. First, we want to tare it so it hits 0. And I'm going to take this 140 milliliter beaker and I'm going to put it in. I'm going to make sure the door is tightly shut. I got 84.353. I figured out the mass of the water is equal to 16.716 grams. Now, the data may vary from measurement to measurement because each balance is different from the other.
Now it's important to use the same balance while you're doing this experiment. If you switch to a different balance, it may be unlevel or it could have different air pressure. So be sure to use the same balance throughout your experiment.
You gotta make sure that you use the same balance. Each balance is calibrated differently. This is to prevent any uncertainty and any data corruption that may occur. We got to keep the doors tightly shut so that no extra air gets inside and also corrupts the data.